Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how to use the walk-away close feature on the Honda Pilot. Now this is going to be applicable to the Touring, Elite, and Black Edition trim levels. So let's just say that you have a ton of groceries back here, 50 bags worth, and you only want to make one trip into the house. So you're gonna gather up 25 bags in each hand, aren't you? Well, what happens if you don't want to come back out and close the door? Push that button right there. That is the walk-away close feature. So here's what happens. I'm going to stand here for a few seconds. We'll pretend I'm gathering up all of those bags or whatever I'm doing. And then I walk away and watch what happens. It takes a couple of seconds, but notice that the tailgate closes. So that is how that feature works. Not on every single trim level, like I said. It is available here on the 2023 through 2025 Honda Pilots, Elite, Touring, and Black Edition. Hope that helps you out. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.